For those who love the taste of grilled food but are constrained by the weather or apartment living, this Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill and Air Fryer is a game changer. This versatile appliance combines the functions of a grill, air fryer, oven, and dehydrator, making it an indispensable tool in any kitchen. With its smoke-extracting technology, this grill allows you to enjoy all the flavors of outdoor grilling without the smoke, making indoor grilling not just possible but enjoyable. Key features. One of the standout features of the Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill is its smoke-extracting technology. This system ensures that you can grill indoors without the hassle of smoke filling your kitchen. The built-in smoke extractor captures and filters the smoke, allowing you to cook in a clean and comfortable environment. Whether you're grilling steaks, burgers, or vegetables, this technology ensures that you get that authentic grilled flavor without the smoke. The Gourmia FoodStation isn't just a grill, it's a multifunctional cooking powerhouse. With 5 one-touch cooking functions, you can easily switch between grilling, air frying, baking, roasting, and dehydrating. This versatility allows you to prepare a wide variety of meals with just one appliance, saving you time and counter space. Whether you're in the mood for crispy air-fried chicken, perfectly grilled steaks, or dehydrated fruits, this appliance has you covered. The Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill boasts a 6-quart cooking capacity, providing 50% more space than other air fryer grill combos. This extra large capacity allows you to cook larger portions, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. The spacious cooking area ensures that you can grill multiple items simultaneously, reducing the time spent in the kitchen and allowing you to enjoy your meal faster. This indoor grill is designed with user convenience in mind. The digital control panel features easy-to-use buttons and preset cooking functions, allowing you to set the desired cooking mode with just a touch. The intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to operate, whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice. The glass lid provides a convenient window for at-a-glance monitoring while locking in heat. This feature allows you to keep an eye on your food without having to open the lid, ensuring that your meal cooks evenly and efficiently. The transparent design also adds a touch of elegance to the appliance, making it a stylish addition to your kitchen. The Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill also functions as an air fryer, utilizing an advanced air flow system to circulate heat from every direction. This method of cooking gives your food that authentic fried crispiness with up to 80% less fat than traditional deep frying. The result is healthier meals that don't compromise on taste or texture. From crispy fries to golden brown chicken wings, the air fryer function allows you to enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free. The grill grate and air fry basket are made from heavy-duty cast metal with a non-stick coating, ensuring that food doesn't stick and cleanup is a breeze. Both the grill grate and air fry basket are dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup quick and effortless. Additionally, the removable drip tray collects excess fat and grease, further simplifying the cleaning process and promoting healthier cooking by reducing the amount of fat in your meals. The Gourmia FoodStation is equipped with 5 one-touch cooking functions: grill, air fry, bake, roast, and dehydrate. This versatility means you can prepare virtually any meal with just one appliance. Whether you're grilling juicy burgers, baking a delicious cake, roasting a tender turkey, or dehydrating fruits for a healthy snack, the Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill can handle it all. Despite its large cooking capacity, the Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill has a compact and portable design, making it easy to store when not in use. Its sleek and modern appearance complements any kitchen decor, and its lightweight design allows you to move it around effortlessly. Whether you're cooking in a small apartment, dorm, or home, this grill is a perfect fit. Safety is a top priority with the Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill. The appliance is equipped with cool touch handles, ensuring that you can handle the grill safely without the risk of burns. These handles remain cool to the touch even during the cooking process, providing a comfortable and secure grip. The grill also features an automatic shut-off function, which activates when the cooking cycle is complete or if the appliance overheats. This safety feature prevents overcooking and reduces the risk of accidents, giving you peace of mind while you cook. Conclusion: the Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill and Air Fryer is a versatile, high-performance, and user-friendly appliance that brings the joy of grilling indoors. Its smoke-extracting technology, multifunctional cooking capabilities, and large cooking capacity make it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Whether you're grilling, air frying, baking, roasting, or dehydrating, this appliance ensures delicious and healthy meals with minimal effort. With its easy-to-use controls, convenient monitoring features, and advanced safety measures, the Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill is designed to make cooking a pleasurable and hassle-free experience. Its compact and portable design, along with dishwasher-safe parts, further enhances its convenience, making it a must-have for any home cook. If you're looking for an appliance that can do it all while providing delicious, healthy meals, look no further than the Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and get your own Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill today. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and cooking tips. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.